Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again to find more security settings, and here the second option, which is active, is encryption and credentials. So let's tap, and as you can see almost at the very bottom actually, because here we've got some inactive options, we've got the clear credentials, and of course this is the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it simply and confirm it. And as you can see, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got the evidence, the proof that we just did it, and because we cannot tap on this option again, at least right now. And to be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to remove credentials, clear certificates in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.